van! What's up, guys? My name's Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv. This is my boyfriend Seth, and we bought a van. We are self-converting this 2003 Ford Econoline 150, and it's gonna be badass.
Dope.
It's gonna be so sick. So we are recording the journey starting now. We were a bit excited, and we kind of jumped right into it. We took out all of the old, rusted in storage. There was like, what, 2 shelves and a door rack.
Yep.
That was messy and dirty work. But it was so fun to see the van in its blank canvas. But then there were some rust spots on the actual floor of the van, and we had to, what is it again? Wire wheel. Oh, God. Tell them. I can't do it.
If you don't have to wire wheel, then don't wire wheel.
But we did, and it was so difficult. So if you do that for a profession, like,
respect.
Mad respect. We had to do that. Then we had to clean out all the rust residue, seal it with rust paint, and that got us a beautiful blank canvas to start putting in the floor, which I'll do a later video on the actual process of the subfloor. I did film that. I filmed that yesterday. So we are so excited about this van. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the van and give you kind of like a little tour. She's unfinished, she's brand new to us. We just got her a week ago today.
Yep, that's crazy.
So yeah, we found a guy on Facebook Marketplace. Decided we want to do van life. We're young. We could do it. Why not? Exactly. And this is kind of like a little dream of ours. So you're looking at the brand new Florida Beach Mobile. Well, brand new to us.
Yep. Definitely not brand new.
Definitely not brand new. But yeah, you guys are gonna see us cruising around Florida in this converted 2003 Ford van, and she's got a lot of potential. I'm really excited. We both are. So let me show you guys the van a little bit and talk numbers, talk as best as I know, electronic things, mechanic things. I don't know
where you're going with this.
I'm not gonna tell them about the engine. Like, what the hell? Why do they need to know the engine? Yeah. Like, I don't know. I don't even know. But I'm gonna show you guys what you can expect from this van. Just kind of ignore the half-finished subfloor. We're working on that today. Yep. But we forgot to do an intro. So we forgot to tell you. We bought the van, and here she is. Alright guys, let me show you Lola, because that's what we're calling her. I love it. It's so beachy, it's perfect. Alright, let's show it. So this is the cab. This is a really big cab, and one of the things I love, not to mention, sorry, I have to sit with my feet through the windshield. Anyway, so this is the best ride, I think. Like, it's big, you're really high up. The suspension on this car is really smooth, so you're not like bouncing forever. So when you go over like big bumps and stuff, it's just a nice glide over. It's really cool. I'll show you guys, and comment down below how I look, because I love the damn thing. How do I look, Seth?
You look great.
Alright, so what you've got here is just your basic radio. One of the things about older cars that I really love is just, it's simple, right? So we've got AC, whether you want it hot or cold, and we've got the fan speed, which is all you need. They did install a new-ish radio. You definitely can tell it's not the stock radio, and she cuts in and out. The guy that I that I bought it from when I took it for a test drive, which was such an exciting day. I took it for a test drive and my dad and I found a jazz station. Speakers work good! And the guy told me that he hadn't had the radio working in over 2 months. So I don't know if I have the magic touch. I'm not gonna say I do. But anyway, so yeah, the dashboard, we've got your simple, easy to read. There's like 5 gauges, no fancy schmancy stuff. Also my personal favorite, the guy wrote in silver Sharpie, "Believe," above the Ford, which is kind of like a cute personalized touch. So that's really cool. But guys, this van holds so much potential. I can't even wait. So let's check out the back and I'll show you our tentative plans. All right, so she does have windows, which is really good. And then this is the back. As you can see, the before and after, we really went to town on this. We even have some stuff taped up, ready to start our build. We've got to remove the tenting still and get new tenting done, but basically we've got to do floors with insulation, subfloor vinyl, the ceiling's the same, and the sides as well. Yeah, purple windows, we love that. But I do love that these are those barn style doors that open up. And then if you come over here, so in this slider door, you've got what's probably going to be a little kitchenette and then a little couch that will convert into a bed. So I also like that there is cab access there. Also, any of this stuff that you see is just Rust-Oleum after it was wire wheeled and fixed. So I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. She's so cute. We've got power windows here, lights, the whole shebang, and a really big center console there. Super excited. These seats are awesome, and they have these little chairs, which is good for long road trips. But the seats are honestly in great condition, and I love driving this thing. There's a dog barking, so just ignore it. All right, so we are getting to work on this van. Guys, if you want to join the journey and follow along on this process, we're totally noobs.
Yeah, we have no experience. We don't know what we're doing.
We really don't. We're relying on YouTube, Google, and Pinterest for inspo. Yep. So
jumping in feet first.
I wouldn't have it any other way. It's the best. I love it. We've already learned quite a bit, but anyway. So if you're interested in joining the journey, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell, and you'll see all the van reno. Now somebody's mowing. We got the dog barking. We got a mower going. It's time to get to work. I'll see you guys on the next one.